Hi everyone, I'm Lorena Leon and again welcome back to my channel. If you are watching, know that you are supporting entrepreneurship, so thank you for that. In this video, I will show you how to deep clean a glass stovetop that needs a little bit of attention. But first, I'm going to show you how I got to this stage. For those who know me, know that I am passionate about cleaning, but I also truly love cooking, and cooking can be quite messy. So I will show you how easily putting together a small dinner can and will cause a lot of chaos. This is a super simple recipe that we started making recently at home, and I like it because it is yummy and healthy. And honestly, it doesn't take much effort or preparation. I get some beef strips sauteed and mixed in with orange juice, soy sauce, marmalade, and add in some broccoli and serve it on a plate with white rice. For those interested, I'll leave the full recipe in the description below. Anyways, the best thing is that in a matter of minutes, dinner is ready. However, the aftermath, well, it can be a little daunting. But no worries, we're going to take this glass top from greasy and ugly to like new again in an instant. But first, let me show you what you need. A pair of gloves, some dish soap, a couple microfiber cloths, a sharp scraper blade, any cooktop cleaner or fine abrasive powder, a non-scratch sponge, and if you have a scrubbing power tool, you're in the game. That's all. Let's get started. Timer running and the fun begins. Wet your microfiber cloth and get some dish soap on it. And remember that you will need a cool surface. Wipe the surface with a soapy cloth to remove all loose oils and crumbs and so on. Then grab your scraper blade and in a 45-degree angle, scrape off any burnt down grease around the edges of the most used burners. As long as the surface is slightly wet, it will not scratch your glass top, and no, it will not remove the factory lines and markings either. Ensure you re-wet your surface as needed and re-wipe to continue the process. Then spread some cooktop cleaner or any abrasive powder that you might have, mixed in with water and create a paste and scrub by hand using a sponge. Or using a scrubber power tool if you like to go big. Seeing all the dirt coming out is so satisfying. I actually find this therapeutic and exciting. Then all you have to do is wipe. That wasn't hard, right? You will need to either use a new cloth or wash thoroughly your microfiber cloth in order to remove all the product from the glass surface. Do you see the haze that was left from the first few wipes? Well, that's not up to my standards. So we're going to take care of it, and it is so simple. Honestly, just wipe with a clean cloth and dry immediately using another clean dry cloth or paper towel. Now it's super shiny. However, this stubborn burner is still not good enough, so I'll use a little bit of dish soap and scrape again. I know it sounds scratchy, but I promise you, as long as the surface is wet and you're using a proper technique and tool, nothing will happen to the glass top. These things are really, truly well made and almost impossible to scratch. And trust me, I have trained hundreds of people on how to do this properly. Lastly, you will have to wipe once again to remove all the soap, dry, and detail any missed spots. And that's all! Wow, under 30 minutes! This stovetop is over 2 years old and belongs to a household that uses it every single day. And as you can see, with proper regular cleaning, it is looking like new, and I'm sure it will very well last long years to come. See why I like cleaning? Small tasks like this one save thousands of dollars on appliance repairs and replacements. Plus, families can enjoy healthy home-cooked meals as often as they please. And the mess? What mess? I don't know what you're talking about. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ciao!